Tarini admitted to JNIMS as her condition worsened. She is on hunger strike against the police action. Work at Imphal West DC office comes to a standstill as people block Uripok Kangchup Road. Kaikhangam urges Hill people to focus on horticulture to improve their economy. Science Meet 2016 kicks off at Akampat. Mangawai Face stresses role of science in development. And Neroka FC to meet Gangtok Himalayan Sporting Club in final round of Indian League 2nd Division on May 13. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News, and I'm Kishore Chandrawal Kimcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. A team of Imphal West women police under the supervision of additional SP Ibom Cha and accompanied by Chief Medical Officer Imphal West this afternoon picked up Taurangmum Ongbi Tarini of Uripok Gopalaji Leirak, who has been on hunger strike demanding immediate action against the police involved in assaulting her. A team of CMO Imphal West was monitoring Tarini since she started her fast unto death. Today the team picked up as her condition deteriorated. Locals of Uripok areas blocked the Uripok Kangchup Road, demanding punishment to the police personnel involved and implementation of ILPS in the state. Locals resisted the police when they tried to take Tarini away. The police and the CMO team persuaded the protesting locals to allow to admit her to hospital first for about half an hour. The team then forcefully picked Tarini and took her to JNIMS. Infuriated by the action, irate locals marched towards the residence of Uripok MLA Laishram Nandukumar, shouting slogans. However, police personnel halted the marching locals at Uripok Kwai Brahmapur Lekai near Imphal Sporting Club. In the meantime, work at Imphal West DC office has come to a standstill as people have completely blocked the Uripok Kangchup Road protesting assault of Taurangmum Tarini by police personnel during the ILP stir. A large number of protesters blocked the road at regular intervals from Bir Tikendrajit flyover to show their condemnation of the police action on the agitating people. Maira Paibi Lubs also held sit-ins at various places. Nupi Singgi Apunba Yaipalub of Naurengthong Kulem Lekai also held protest condemning assault of Taurangmum Tarini. They displayed placards that read Nupi Puba Police Chairak Piu, Stop Police Brutality, and Loop Secretary Salam Mema said police attack on Maira Paibi member is tantamount to an attack on women of the society. She appealed to authorities concerned to take strict action against the police personnel for their indiscipline. She also urged the government to handle the prevailing situation carefully.
Ado police SI se maji mafam lokthokbam ba apami mati jaba dandi biheningi maji aduna machi taw je khoi maitai macha yam nuksina da ba kan taw bebha leitaba kawi ma discipline yaw da ba kawi ma kari haini police ai yam discipline laigadabni ado ma mafam lokthokba pami habje ima haijeningi madugi mama oi ba khoi do khut thangame aduna khoi madugi pandamni huji kaino khoi mera bai bisokpa jigi khoi nuaitana khoi dhana tawjari khoi chara henge.
Meanwhile, JAC of Taurangmum Tarini of Uripok Gopalaji Leirak has submitted memorandum to Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh, Home Minister Kaikhangam and DGP demanding punishment for the police personnel involved in the assault of Taurangmum Tarini. They said in the memorandum that protesters would intensify their agitation if the responsible police personnel are not punished soon. The JAC also said Taurangmum Tarini was returning home after taking part in the Maira rally on Sunday when she saw police personnel assaulting some young boys at her gate. When she tried to intervene, the police personnel verbally abused and attacked her. Students of Alpha School, Thangmaban Hijam Dewan Lekai formed a human chain in support of the demand for implementation of ILP in the state. Around 300 students, including small children, took part in the formation of the human chain. Placards that read, "Implement ILP system in Manipur and save the indigenous people" were displayed during the protest, and the students shouted slogans. Students of Heritage Convent School, Uripog Yambem Lekai today held sit-in support of demand for implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur. It may be recalled that JCILP's students wing locked administrative block of the school after the students refused to join the ILPS stir. The school authority tendered apology and appealed to lift the ban yesterday. They stated that they will extend support to JCILPS in their movement for implementation of ILPS. Now, National People's Party NPP will not join the all-party delegation led by the Chief Minister, which is expected to leave Imphal by May 16 for New Delhi. Addressing media person at NPP office at MDU building in MG Avenue, NPP State President Thangmilian Kipgen said the party does not know the exact resolution taken during the all-political party meeting chaired by the Chief Minister on May 9 as the party was not invited. Thangmilian Kipgen said the party stands by the people's demand to prevent migrants. He cautioned that political party cannot bring a solution regarding the matter until it is first discussed with the people of the state. He expresses dissatisfaction with the government for not holding talks with indigenous people living in the hills and valley regarding the issue. It is worth mentioning here that a delegation of all political parties led by Chief Minister will leave for New Delhi by the 16th of this month to meet central leaders seeking their consent on the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly.
National People's Party and all political parties have warib loraga hek asina jagani haibagi adugumba issue nate adna stakeholders in mayam se phalchat but na thoroughly tanaraga discuss tonaraga tang tawa ama solution pura pasi ekoi parties in pamjabane tagmapan ge ju ke all political party ki meeting da jaw dabne na kari warib lora di khangde.
Joint Action Committee Against Anti-Tribal Bills in a press note said the JAC has called for a 48-hour band in all tribal areas from the midnight of May 15 till the midnight of May 17 to protest the resolution of all political party meeting to urge the centre to pass the 3 bills. Now, Deputy Chief Minister Gai Kangam, who also holds the horticulture portfolio, appealed to the farmers in the hills to give more focus on horticulture to improve their economy. Inaugurating a farmer training hall at Khongham Part today, the Deputy Chief Minister stated that the hills cover the greater land areas compared to the valley. He said the horticulture produce will help in improving the economy and urged the farmers to give more attention on horticulture. The hall was constructed by Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation under the mission for integrated development of horticulture. The function was attended by Lamsang MLA W. Brajabidhu, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Parliamentary Secretary of Bungzagan Valte and staff of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department.
June cultivation horticulture is farming. June cultivation productive scientific environment intensive or extensive horticulture farming Komla Hangde Champara Hangde Ate food crop or cash crop and say Atana Kowalakan equity income I pay Lapa Chile Tinja or Adumba known the scientifically something.
Science and Technology Minister T. Manga Waifei today inaugurated a 5-day science meet 2016 of National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Akampat. The science meet was organized jointly by NELIT, Manipur Science and Technology Council, Science Teachers Forum, Association for the Promotion of Science, Manipur Science Communicators Association, and Generation D New Image on the theme Make in India, Science and Technology-Driven Innovations. Speaking on the occasion, the minister said a nation cannot develop without science, and today science is not just for science teachers and students, but for the mass. He maintained that science has a huge role to play in the advancement of a society. Special Secretary Science and Technology, Government of Manipur, Director of Manipur Science and Technology Council, former Director NELIT, teachers and students from various institutes took part in the meet.
Science ideas, innovations, students encourage tawna ekoi ki state da science ki amasung technology ki maramda sigumba learning that knowledge bibase yamna ekoi kuno chaba aduga ekoi ki namakta yam encouraging oiba ababa thabak amani.
A science model exhibition was also held as part of the event, where students from different schools demonstrated their science models. Students expressed that the innovative models are based on the idea of affordable and sustainable products and plans.
Sige ako'y putoy sa room cooler niya ba? Haydi AC. Haydi sige nga sa somna kanda fan sila ba? Fan sila kapag po na tanda sige ising tara iba mayam se. Sige sana water paper na sana olaga inghan do niya ba air mayam se. AC gumba niya ba? Sam na ba da?
AC di paisa am tang mo ko pa oy dana. Adugi ako'y na sige paisa su chang da ba pot oy ba si pot sinana.
Flower tawgra bala fu sige season ngai lete sige yan thatlaga si plant sing je thajalaga si lafugi kano ju mineral sing je phudiarba water ju plant na dum phangjarni aw si plant ju healthy oina howagame
si machine atopa puthokcharaga ju sida tasanaba langje hena effective oina go tasanaba yawe adagi puthokpusina ju yam nungare sida laire ko puthokpusinge mogi sikki kano kun puthoknaba farm ju hena encourage torani.
Now, the government has decided to compensate the victims of Mayang Imphal incidents as demanded by Mayang Imphal Club's coordination committee. The victims were injured and their houses were burned in the violent incident following the death of 2 youths on April 7 in connection with the vehicle theft. The decision was taken during a meeting at the official quarters of Education Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar at Babupura between the representative of the committee and Imphal West DC, Ningthojam Geoffrey. The meeting agreed to provide compensation to the victims and to conduct a judicial inquiry into the incident. Geoffrey assured that the agreement will be translated into action in a month's time. Meanwhile, the committee has called off the proposed 36-hour band on Mayai Lambi. Speaking to media, the committee's General Secretary M. Khelendro said if the agreement is not put into action as assured, they would be compelled to intensify their agitation.
Appeal tawjingbadi government side ge habita masi laiba irang se kari galoina na within 1 month madu amni habi thazu basulek adu public side kitang appeal tawjabadi masi sinamana modaga irang sa ka copy batobi ganu government side ki yana ba hona jari adu matam chana haiba matam 1 month ki matam sta kuina necessary compensation bitona tawjake.
City District Congress Committee in a press release said that the committee has appointed Ningthojam Shivda of Yai School Jamastan and Pukrambam Sarat of Sagolban Maishnam Lekai as vice presidents and Moirang Them Amarjit of Sagolban Salam Lekai as treasurer of the committee with immediate effect. 3 persons who had contested assembly elections in Sugnu constituency on different party tickets have joined the BJP Manipur Pradesh. They are Yumnam Jiban, who fought the 10th assembly election on CPI ticket, Mayang Lambam Binod, who fought as an MPP candidate twice, and Khaidem Sharat, who fought on a BJP ticket. Mayang Lambam Binod said a political conference of the party will be held on the 23rd of this month. He appealed to the people to attend the political conference. Kumantem Tondonsana, son of Kumantem Kwaklei from Pukhao, Naharup Awang Lekai, was released yesterday around 10 a.m. Tondonsana was abducted by unknown armed miscreants on May 3 at Bongmal village under Singhat subdivision in Churchandpur district. Addressing media person at Manipur Press Club today, JAC formed against the abduction of Tondonsana appreciated the initiative of various organizations to help his release. The JAC appealed to those responsible not to repeat such act in future. It may be mentioned that Kumantem Tondonsana works under contractor T. Lala Wi-Fi at Lingsifai village in Churchandpur district. The contractor had received monetary demand from a group and Tondonsana was abducted on May 3 around 10:30 by 7 unknown armed men.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯆꯥꯛ ꯇꯥꯟꯗꯅ ꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯁꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟ ꯐꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯚꯥꯏꯑꯣꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯔꯥꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯖꯦꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯏꯇꯦꯠ ꯄꯨꯈꯥꯎ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
A team of Imphal West Commando and 6 Assam Rifles arrested 2 cadres of KYKL during a joint operation in Singjangmei Chingamakha area. The arrested cadres have been identified as Kongkham Dorendro alias Apabi Singh, aged 45, son of K. Indrajit from Singjangmei Chingamakha Yanglim Lekai, and Laimapokpam Rajendro alias Ibungo Singh, aged 31, son of late Nando from Ningombam Awang Lekai. 1 Steyr Machine Austria 9mm pistol along with 3 live round, 3 Chinese hand grenades and 1 mobile phone were recovered from them. The 2 cadres have been handed over to Singjangmei police station. A team of Imphal East Commando and 2 Assam Rifles arrested 1 cadre of KNFN during a search operation in Nongbram village on May 10. The cadre is identified as Hanthengsiam Vaifai Thangsiam, 19 years, from Kamuching village. On the same day, Imphal East Commando arrested 1 KYKL MDF, a cadre at Uyumpok. He is identified as Ningthogjam Geet Chandra, alias Kalu, alias Bhim, 28 years, from Uyumpok, Maning Lekai. On his revelation, another cadre of KYKL MDF, Yengkhom Bhavananda, alias Roji, is 26, was also arrested from Pukhao, Laipam, Imphal East. Imphal East Commando also arrested 1 RPF cadre identified as self-styled 2nd Lieutenant Ningthogjam Rakesh, alias Sathoba, alias Ibung, aged 30, of Nongdam Makhalekai during an operation at Nongdam on May 9. Investigation revealed that he worked as a PRO of the outfit. Time now for a short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News. Delta Tutorials for CBSE. Admissions open. Class 9, 10 and 12 Science from April 4. Class 12 Arts from May 4. Class 11 Science from June 6. Vacation course for Navodayas and others from May 4. Class timing 5:30 to 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. For details, please visit Delta Tutorials between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Manipurgi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na chingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpiba 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna yengjagan ngasimag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic, MZ Avenue, Imphal.
The first urban cross hatchback Datsun Ready Go with 800cc Supna Tagilupa Lak Animakai Piva car Sigi features Singdi ground clearance 185 mm, space 222 liters, power steering, drive computer, mileage 25.14 km per liter, immobilizer, passenger class warranty. Lupalising mga kata na book Tawbiharo, Island Nissan near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. Preliminary round of the first translation of All Manipuri Language Competition 2016 was held at Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS Block, Manipur University. The competition was organized by Students' Union of Kanglei Park, SUK. Around 100 high school and undergraduate students took part in the competition. Speaking at the event, SUK's President Jayant Kumar Kuman expressed concern at the vanishing old form of Manipuri language used in the Puyas. 10 shortlisted participants of the preliminary round will participate in the final round of the competition to be held on May 13.
Kanglei Park Manipur asida ariba loan haibadi koigi Puyar sinaramba loanjing koigi hojiki lairiba wahijiga hojik yam thina awungba ma lakpadagi koigi indigenous people amadi indigenous language singbo kharada orasu ngakhoba amadi kanhoba ngamnabgi damakta ngasi sukna competition asi pangthok sabani.
Members of Royal Riders Manipur today extended financial assistance to R.K. Tampasana at Jenims Hospital A team of Royal Riders led by President Miren Thangjam visited her at Female Ortho Ward at Jenims and handed over 20,400 to RK Tampasana. Unity Platform of Manipur, a social networking WhatsApp group, also gave rupees 10,500 to Tampasana. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada Khongman Unit and Yaipa Thauranglup Khongman conducted drive against drugs and alcohol in and around Khongman yesterday. During the drive, the volunteers seized 7 liters of country liquor from Seram Nilakomol of Khongman Zone 4 and Ningombam Jibon from Khongman Zone 5 East. They burned the liquor in front of the Social Workers Congress Club at Khongman Mayai Lekai. Shiza Eye Care Foundation, in collaboration with S. Molnom Village Authority, Kangpokpi, organized a comprehensive eye camp at S. Molnom Village Community Hall, Kangpokpi, on Tuesday. 157 patients were examined for eye-related problems. Dr. Roman Kaisham, consultant ophthalmologist, along with the supporting staff of Shiza Eye Care Foundation, examined the patient. Now, the first Foundation Day of Nongpok Laipak Apunba Nupilup NLANL was celebrated today at Lamyan Bashanglen Palace Compound. Secretary of All Manipur Women's Social Reformation Development Samaj, Nupi Samaj Tokchom Ongbi Ramani, said the movement for implementation of ILP in the state is almost 35 years old. She demanded that the ILP must be implemented in Manipur. Secretary of NLANL Nongthongbam Radhamani said the organization was set up to launch movement against APSPA, drugs and narcotic substances, and violence against children and women.
Lamdam sida mayai kaba nisa thingminnaba amadi lamchat mangngai oiraba restaurant kya thingminnaba amadi leibaki thogdo wathok kaya da achowa thodang lawminnaduna aikhoi punna amuktang di khunai asibu phananaba hotnabado nongpok lengang apunba nupi lumna pamje adui makhata rakpada aikhoi lingjen manana amadi thongna leina iramdam manipur gidamak aikhoi matungda sudum lepsakhi gani mamangda ju achowa thodang kaya lawdona lakchari aikhoi singli de I marik ama
Teaching and non-teaching staff and students of Herbert School congratulated the principal of the school, Dr. K. Nabachandra Singh, on having conferred the National Award for Best Principal in ensuring ongoing teacher enhancement on the 6th of this month at Educom India Today Educational Excellence Award in New Delhi. President of Manipur Hindustani Sangeet Mahavidyalaya Kakching, Dr. M. Rajkumar Singh, has congratulated Principal of Kham Manipur Hindustani Sangeet Mahavidyalaya Kakching, Srimayum Navakumar Sharma, on being awarded Bharat Nirman Award, Mahatma Gandhi Award, Best Personalities of India Award 2016, and Lifetime Achievement Award by Friendship Forum India, New Delhi. Navakumar received the 4 awards from Friendship Forum India at C.D. Deshmukh Memorial Auditorium in New Delhi on April 25. Two latest models of Super XL Moped and TVS Victor of TVS were launched today at JK TVS showroom opposite Thao Ground, Thangmiban. Director of Commerce and Aesthetics, Paizona Kamai, launched the 2 models. The new model of Super XL Moped was launched for the first time in the Northeast. The 2-wheelers are available in 5 different colors. TVS Victor is also available in 5 different colors. Now, moving on to sports news, Neroka FC will meet Gangtok Himalayan Sporting Club in a league match of the final round of 2nd Division Indian League on May 13 at Kumalampak Main Stadium. Speaking to media at a press meet held in connection with the upcoming match at Classic Grande, manager of Neroka FC, T.H. Arun Kumar, said the match is very crucial for the team as it will give an edge of qualifying for the I-League. Arun Kumar also appealed to all football fans of the state to witness the match and support the only team from Manipur. Head coach Gangtok Himalayan Sporting Club, A. Shantakumar, said 3 foreign players are inducted in his team and hopefully seal the match in their favor. It may be worth mentioning that Neroka FC, in their 6 outings, have won twice, lost twice, and drawn twice. The team has 8 points so far.
Taikrom doida Sikkim ga sanagado match aside akoina free entry hanjaragani aduga VIP ki jana kitang invitation kara pijaraga ꯆꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯔꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯦꯔꯣꯀꯥꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯠꯆ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯥꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ.
We missed so many chances. We played so well against all the teams. Still now we played 7 matches. We played against all the teams excellent football, but only scoring is not there. I hope the coming match we may score the goal and play better. Our team is performing very well, but the result is not coming. Maybe tomorrow 100% we will go in all out to win the match.
Now, in the ongoing 6th Hockey India Sub-Junior Men's National Hockey Championship B Division, Chhattisgarh Hockey beat Hockey Uttarakhand 6-3 in the first match. In the second match, Mumbai Hockey Association beat Kerala Hockey thrashed 5-1, while the match between Bengal Hockey Association and Hockey Madhya Pradesh was drawn 1-1. Hockey Bhopal drubbed Hockey Gujarat 15-2. The championship is organized by Manipur Hockey under the aegis of Hockey India at Kumalampak Hockey Stadium that kicked off on May 5. 23 teams from various states and union territories are taking part in the championship. United Veterans Sports Association Lelong Chajing defeated Tidim Road Veterans Sports Association Malom in a penalty shootout in the quarterfinals of the 18th Challenge Club Veteran Football Tournament held at Imphal Polo Ground. Both the teams could not open their account in the first half of the match. In the second half, both the teams attacked each other but were unable to score in the allotted time. In the penalty shootout, United Veterans Sports Association Lelong Chajing defeated Tidim Road Veterans Sports Association 8-7. United Veterans Sports Association's jersey number 6, Cage Sanaton, was named player of the match. The fourth quarterfinal was played between FVWA and KSC. Now, a very important announcement: due to maintenance work by MSPDC on Imphal Moray Road, the optical fiber wires of Impact TV have been disconnected at Yai School near Hicham Yaicham and Yumnam Laikai, causing serious inconveniences to our viewers. The management of Impact TV tenders apologies for the inconveniences. Now, before we wind up, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Tarini admitted to Jenims as her condition worsened. She is on hunger strike against police action. Work at Imphal West DC office comes to a standstill as people block Uripo Kangchuk Road. Kaikangam urges Hill people to focus on horticulture to improve their economy. Science Meets 2016 kicks off at Akampat. Manga Waipai stresses role of science in development. And Neroka FC to meet Gangtok Himalayan Sporting Club in the final round of Indian League 2nd Division on May 13.